Okay, here we go. Hello, hello. All right, hello, Tatum here. Welcome back. Today we have a 12-minute workout, no repeats, all about the core. Let's get to it. All right, we're gonna get started today. Just 12 minutes. We're not gonna repeat any exercises today. It's gonna be a quick one and it's all about the core. And this workout was inspired when Nadia and I had the opportunity to work with little horse riders last week who were at a boot camp for horse riding. So we put this together for them in particular, but this can be used for anyone who's in sports, who's a runner, or even sits at a desk, okay? We need our core strength. But anyways, with that, my quote today, keeping them in mind, is that some horses will test you, some will teach you, and some will bring out the best in you. And we hope to bring out the best in you today in your riding skills. So let's get started. We're gonna start down here in downward dog. Push down and back. I want you to bring that right leg up and behind you into a scorpion, it's called, and I want you to kick it out and bring it in 2 times for me. Out and in. Step up and through your hands here. Rotate over that knee that's bent. Look up towards the ceiling. Give it a good stretch. Hands down, step back into downward dog. Good. Bring that left leg up behind you. Kick it out for 1 and 2. Bring that foot between your hands. Give it a rotation up over that knee, looking up towards the ceiling. Good. Bring it down, step back into downward dog. Good work. All right, we're going to come down to our knees. We're going to do a Z-sit, which means we're going to come here with our knee and heel touching. All right? This is a Z-sit. And we're going to just push up without using our hands up to the top here with our hips forward. Good. We're going to rotate those knees over. Come up to the top. Good. Back down. Try not to use those hands. If you have to at first, it's okay. Just keep rotating and sliding back and forth. You got it. Good job. For today, if you have it, we need to find a small ball, foam roller, band, and a 5-pound weight. So pause here if you don't have those things near you and get ready. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Good work. We're gonna grab our ball or foam roller, whatever you have there. I like this little ball that I bought at the store. It's a kid's small kickball. Nadia here has a foam roller. We're gonna lay down. I want you to put this between your knees and squeeze. You're gonna push through your feet, get into this glute bridge, hips up, and I just want you to extend one leg at a time, keeping those hips up the whole time. Hold, extend a leg. Nadia is doing just a modification of this where she's just doing a squeeze with a glute bridge. I am keeping my hips up the entire time with this extension. Make sure that those hips stay up, that foot when you extend is in line with your hips and your knees, okay? So nice straight line. You can put your arms out to the side or by your body. If you want to challenge, because you don't want to rock when you're doing this, you're going to put your hands across your chest and try not to rock or sway on this, okay? That's time. Nice work there. Let's put that ball aside. All right, we're gonna do our dead bug here, okay? But I got a little modification on this one. Let's have our hands up, knees bent. I want you to bring that right hand on your left knee. Bring your right leg up, all right? So left arm up, right leg up, and we're going to push our hand and knee together as we lift and lower our arm and leg. Really push into that knee with that hand. Causes you to brace that core and tighten up. Then we're gonna lift and lower with the other side. I normally do this with a stability ball. Let's switch. All right, so left hand on right knee, push them together. Let's go ahead and lift and lower your opposite arm and leg here. Sometimes I do this with a stability ball. I've modified this so you don't need one today. Up and down. Good. Nice work. We're gonna grab that ball and foam roller again. We're gonna do a little half superhero. I want you to put this between your ankles, the ball or the foam roller as Nadia has here. You're gonna lay your head on your your forehead on your hands here. I want you to squeeze and lift your feet up. All right, it's a small movement. Squeeze your bottom and then lift up. Just a little movement up off the ground, okay? Good, we're halfway, keep working here. Should feel the inside of your thighs working as you hold that ball at your ankles or that foam roller, and then your glutes squeezing the lift. All right, nice work. Here we go, let's set those aside. We're gonna do a single Rdl hold, okay? So we're gonna come out here and just hold this, trying to get your arms out in front, your leg up behind, level with your hips. Woo, and try to balance and not fall. But if you do, that's okay. That's why we're here. We're trying to practice. If it feels better and easier, bring your arms out like airplane wings. But I want you to keep that head in line with your spine and try to level it out with your hips. All right, that's halfway. Let's go ahead and switch. Other side, same thing. Get your balance. Brace your core. This is all core here. All right. Arms stretched out, legs stretched out, level with your hip, try to get level with the ground, head in line with the spine, feel that bottom foot grounded, and that's rest. Whew, good work there. All right, we've got brace squats today, so let's grab a weight. If you don't have a dumbbell, use anything that you can hold out in front of you. Your core is still gonna work when your arms are out in front of you, okay? Here we go, bracing and holding onto that weight. We're gonna squat. Feet are about shoulder width apart, arms out in front. You wanna feel weight on the entire foot as we squat. So no rocking up on the toes or back onto the heels. Knees stay over the ankles, all right? It's a good thing to check. If you feel your knees caving in here, or you see that, we wanna push them out over that ankle. We wanna work on hip strength maybe. Maybe there's some muscle tightness there, but try to push them out a little instead of letting them fall in towards each other. We have 5 seconds here. We're gonna go to a single leg chop. All right, so on this one, we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna call it a chop, but really it's just going to be a lift, like a diagonal lift. All right, and you can hold on to the edges of this weight. Let's bring our right knee up. We're gonna start at our left hip. We're gonna raise this up across our body, and we're gonna bring it back down. Just balancing on that leg. You can have your foot just off the floor or ground, or lift it up a little bit more, but we're balancing through this whole movement, all right? Good, if you come out of it, no worries. Pick up from where you left off, cross here. All right, we're halfway, we're gonna switch. Let's lift that left leg off the floor, come down from the right hip. I want you to come up and back down towards that hip. Good, back up, balance. Good, we got it. Good job. All right, good work, weights down. We're gonna do a lateral plank walk with a mountain climber and push-up, all right? When we're sitting up tall, we wanna have good strength, core strength, upper body strength, so that's where this is coming in. Here we go. In a high plank, I want you to walk to the right. We're gonna do 4 mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and give it a push-up, some sort of push-up from your knee or your toes, but go all the way to the ground. Left, 4 mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a push-up. Good, to the right. 4 mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a push-up. Good, to the left. 4 mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a push-up. We got it. To the right. 4 mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a push-up. And then back to the left. 4 mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a push-up. Last one. There you go. Nice work. All right, we're gonna grab our bands. We're gonna throw another squat into this mix, but we're gonna pull it apart, okay? So we can work on having those shoulders back, all right? Being able to hold our chest high. Keep those shoulders back with good posture. Grab your bands, thumbs up, all right? Palms up and thumbs out. We're gonna squat and pull that band apart. There should be some tension. If you don't feel any tension or grab closer on the band, pull apart and squat, all right? I want you to keep those shoulders down away from your ears. So try not to pull them up and shrug, keep them down. And then pull those shoulder blades back and together. There you go, thumbs up and out. You got it. Good work. We have 15 seconds here. I'll go back into some balancing, single leg work next. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. All right. We got a reverse lunge here with a press. Here we go. So let's start with the weight on our right shoulder, and we're gonna step back with our right leg in 3, 2, and 1. So we're gonna step back into that reverse lunge, come up into a knee hike, and then press with some balance. Good. Let's step it back, up, press. We're gonna stay right here for a few more seconds. We'll switch to the other side. Press. Good. We got it. Nice work. All right, we're halfway. Let's switch. Weight on left shoulder, step back with the left leg. Hike that left knee up. Give it a press with balance. Good. Step back. Knee up. Press. Good. Step back. Knee up to press. 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's put that weight down. We're gonna come into a Frogger stretch as our last exercise here. Just one little stretch. Bring those knees wide as your shoulders. Toes are also, or feet as wide as those knees and shoulders. Let's reach out in front just a little bit, and then I want you to sit back into that Frogger. Good. You can even put your elbows down and hold it here, or pull out in front. Hold this stretch. Breathe into your belly, all right? Just 30 seconds here. We're done. If you're not feeling that stretch, go a little bit wider with your knees and your feet. Three, 2, and 1. All right, good work. That was 12 minutes just like that. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed this video again. We are just trying to provide something for the equestrians out there and those of you who are riding horses and need to think about core strength. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the notification bells, and give us a comment, all right? Thank you so much.